Welcome students. Now let us continue with our lesson number 5 using basic functions in MS Excel video part 4.
Well students, now let us learn something about using AutoSum functions. The AutoSum functions are sum, average, count numbers, minimum, maximum. These are all AutoSum functions. Now here in this mark sheet, you would see a student ID and some marks written over here. Now, this will be the resultant cell where I want the total of these marks. Now I'll keep my cursor here. I'll keep this selection on and then I'll go here in AutoSum and I will click on sum. The moment I click on sum, you will see that this sum C4 to C8 has been written here. So C4 is the address of this cell, C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. So like this, a series of C4 to C8 has been written in the bracket and the AutoSum function is active. The moment I say enter, I will get the sum of cells from C4 to C8. Now I am pressing enter and you will see that the total is 289. Now this is how I got the total of these numbers at one shot. Okay, now let me delete this and we'll move on to the next function called as average. Now this is going to be my resultant cell. I'll keep the cell active here. I'll go to the AutoSum function and I will press average here and I get the average from C4 to C9 and there I press an enter and I get the average as 57.8. So this is how I got the average. Now I'll remove this also and now I'll show you the attendance. Attendance for this result I will use again this AutoSum and this time I'll ask the AutoSum to count the numbers. I want to know how many students are present. See, I'll take the cursor little up. Now attendance is like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 students. So I want the attendance as to how many students are there. Okay. So I'll go here. I'll say count numbers and it has counted as to 5. So count is 5. Okay. So there are 5 children who are attending this. Now in this series above, I want to know what is the maximum marks someone has scored. Okay, I'll delete this part and I'll come here, keep this cell active. I go into AutoSum and I click on max and see. It has taken a selection from C4 to C11 and it is going to calculate the maximum for me. I'm going to enter it here. And the maximum marks, if you see, is 89. See, 25, 58, 89, 45, 72. So what are the maximum marks here? 89. And what is our answer? 89. So the maximum function, how it was used, you have seen. As I told you, you have to start with the equal to sign and all. But here you don't have to write anything because it is a inbuilt function. Okay, so I'll delete this. Alright, now I'll come to the minimum. Now in the above, what's the minimum? Let's check out. I'll go here in the AutoSum and I'll click on the minimum function and there you go. So what is the minimum? Minimum has come to 25. If you check these marks, you will find that 25 was the minimum mark scored by a student here. And maximum was 89. So similarly we got all our answers right. Okay, we got the answer as 25. Alright students, so let us take a break here and we'll continue in the next class. In the next class we'll see some more functions like we'll see a function called as trim function, and also we'll see the function called as day360 function and trim function. We'll see in the next class. Okay.